Hello, Mr. Smith. I'm Sharon Ford. And two things that I've learned so far in this writing course is number one, it takes time to write coherently. I have thought, oh, I know this, I know that, I'll just jot it down. But boy, it takes a lot of time to organize and to prepare, almost like preparing a meal. You can't just go in the kitchen and throw something together, but to really have it turn out right, it takes time and planning and order. So that's one thing that I've learned, it takes time. The other thing I've learned is that you can get so overwhelmed with all the research that you really have to be strategic about which points that you choose to validate your position, because we have so much available to us at our fingertips on tips on the internet and through research books and libraries. I say it could get overwhelming, and so you really have to page through and really earn your right to be called an author by all the research you do, and then pick the points that are going to be really, really explosive so that your readers really understand your position and actually agree with your position because you've chosen the right points. So, number one, it takes time to really put your research together and put it down on words in a coherent manner. It's a lot different than Facebooking and blogging because you can do whatever comes to your head and just put it out there. But to be a true author, you've really got to organize your thoughts with the pre-formatted methods that have been chosen. And then you have to be strategic about which research pieces that you use to make your reader get the position that you're taking. So that's what I've learned. I appreciate the opportunity. It's a great deal to learn about writing, but it's a wonderful opportunity, wonderful challenge, and I look forward to doing more of it. We'll see you. Have a good night. Bye-bye.